Welcome back. This is Danielle from Explore Yourself Natural. We're going to be making a couple things today, but we're starting off with a soap that is scented in lavender and cedarwood. It's a very unisex scent and is a good seller for me.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not.
For colorants, we're using purple clay and cocoa powder.
If you don't try it anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
What I'm pointing to here is the color morph you're going to see. So you see a light brown right now, and in the next day or two, that will turn into a very dark brown. The next item we're going to be working on is making lip balms. I am making peppermint, citrus twist, and lavender today. I just want to show the difference between these two molds. This blue one here is from Bulk Apothecary. This is the one that I love. I have a couple of these. They're like a sturdy plastic and they come with a scraper. Their lip balm tubes are very inexpensive, one of the best around. I was making an order on Wholesale Supplies Plus, and I have never got this one because I don't like that it's flimsy. I just liked, you know, that this is nice and like sturdy, but I know a lot of people use these, so I wanted to try it out. And I know that this hole isn't identical to this. They're similar, but not identical. So I got the lip balm tubes and the tray just to try out. So I'll just give you my little review. Putting the tubes in, they're both pretty easy to pop them in, no issues. I find them both, you know, the same in that aspect. In regards to pouring, same. I mean, you can't really go wrong. The whole purpose that you use a tray is to be able to over pour or overflow if needed. But when, like the finished product, when you pull them out of this, so I would scrape it off, I would warm them up, I'd let them cool, and then I'd pull them out. They come out nice and clean. Okay, so when you use the one from Bulk, they come out super, super clean. I'll show you. Nice and clean, right? No cleanup. You pull it out, you're good to go. The one from Wholesale Supplies Plus, pulling them out was harder because this is so flimsy and it's like moving all around. You can't flip it over because you're going to get the lip, you know, the lip balm everywhere. So getting it out was harder. And then after cleaning it up on here, you should be able to just, you know, let them cool and put the cap on. They all have this, like, see how uneven? You see that? Like, I shouldn't have to clean up the lip balms after. So my review for this is I don't like it. I don't like it. The lip balm tubes, I like them. You know, they seem just like every other lip balm tube, but I do not like this, how flimsy it is. It's harder to take the lip balm out, and then I have to clean the lip balm again. So the whole purpose of utilizing, in my personal opinion, utilizing these trays is to be able to overflow, you know, take a scraper, scrape it off, and get a nice clean top. I mean, it's the whole purpose of it is to get that clean top and then just pop the cap on it. I don't want to have to take all 48, and there's only 48 as opposed to 50 with this one. Now I have to go back and clean all 48, and then there's going to be a small little, like, you know, when you take a clean paper towel to go around, you're going to see a small little thing. So now I'm going to have to take the heat gun and heat gun them down and hope that they don't drip over the edge. So I do not like this. If you're in the market for a lip balm tray, get the hard, sturdy ones like this. Bulk is my favorite place to get them because the lip balm tubes are so cheap without having to buy 1,000 at a time, or I think it's 10,000 at a time you have to buy. So I usually just buy the 50 packs. You know, I'll buy like 4 or 5 at a time and be done. These trays are awesome. They wash really well. You can throw them right in the dishwasher. And when you are done, you don't have to clean up the edges. So I just wanted to give my quick little review. I wanted to try this out because I saw a lot of people use these and I wanted to try it out and see what my thoughts were. So there's that.
Thank you for spending the day with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you found any use to it. I hope to see you next Thursday. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.